When to use Lego Serious Play. Welcome. Today, we'll explore why Lego Serious Play is a powerful tool for your meetings and workshops. It is a good idea to use Lego Serious Play if it is important that everyone is able to contribute their knowledge and opinions on a level playing field. It ensures the meeting includes honest dialogue and collaborative communication, and it prevents any one participant from dominating at the expense of others, avoiding personal agendas. Use Lego Serious Play when the subject is complex and multifaceted, and there are no clear answers. It helps grasp the big picture, see connections, and explore various options and potential solutions. It's also ideal when participants are diverse in age, professional background, or organizational status. Results. Use Lego Serious Play if it's crucial to make decisions that everyone commits to and honors after the meeting, even if they don't agree 100% with everything. It ensures no excuses or lack of initiative after the meeting because participants feel they were heard and involved in the decision. It also provides all participants with a common understanding and frame of reference that will impact their work together after the meeting. Lego Serious Play helps create engaging, insightful, and productive meetings where everyone has a voice. Ready to unlock your team's potential?